Europe, location, political division and physical features. Europe, introduction. Geographical features. Regions of Europe. Political map of Europe. Historical and cultural significance. Economic and political landscape. Technological and social progression. Political divisions of Europe. Regional divisions. European Union, EU. Europe, introduction. Europe is one of the 7 continents on Earth, known for its rich history, diverse cultures, and significant contributions to global civilization. Geographical features. Location, situated in the Northern Hemisphere, bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, the Mediterranean Sea to the south, and the Ural Mountains and Ural River to the east. Size and population, covers about 10.2 million square kilometers with over 740 million people, making it the second most populous continent. Cultural diversity, each country in Europe has its own unique cultural identity, contributing to a diverse tapestry of languages, religions, cuisines, and traditions. Regions of Europe. Western Europe includes countries like France, Germany, and the Netherlands. This region is known for its rich history and advanced economies. Eastern Europe includes countries like Poland, Russia, and Hungary. This region has a mix of different cultures and histories, with many countries once being part of the Soviet Union. Northern Europe includes countries like the United Kingdom, Sweden, and Norway. This region is known for its cold climate and beautiful landscapes like fjords and forests. Southern Europe includes countries like Italy, Spain, and Greece. This region is famous for its warm climate, beautiful beaches, and ancient history. Central Europe includes countries like Austria, Switzerland, and the Czech Republic. This region is known for its mountains, like the Alps, and its central location in Europe. Political map of Europe. Countries. Europe is made up of many countries, each with its own government and boundaries. Some well-known countries include France, Germany, Italy, Spain, and the United Kingdom. Borders. These are the lines that separate one country from another. Each country has clear borders that are shown on the map. Capitals. Each country has a capital city, where the government is based. For example, the capital of France is Paris, the capital of Germany is Berlin, and the capital of Italy is Rome. European Union, EU. Many countries in Europe are part of the European Union, a group that works together on economic and political issues. Members of the EU include countries like France, Germany, and Italy. Important features. The map also shows important geographical features like rivers and mountains. For example, the Alps are a major mountain range in Europe, and the Danube is one of its longest rivers. Historical and cultural significance. Historical influence. Europe has been home to powerful empires, kingdoms, and pivotal scientific discoveries throughout history, influencing global development. Architectural marvels, from ancient civilizations to modern landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Big Ben, Europe boasts iconic architecture and landscapes. Economic and political landscape. Economic powerhouse, countries like Germany, France, and the UK lead in industry, technology, and finance globally. Political integration. The European Union promotes peace, economic cooperation, and has transformed political dynamics across the continent. Technological and social progression. Scientific advancements. Europe has been a hub for scientific and technological innovations, shaping modern advancements. Social movements. Ongoing efforts for civil rights and gender equality have shaped Europe's social fabric. Political divisions of Europe. Europe is divided into regions with distinct political and geographical characteristics. Regional divisions. Scandinavian countries includes Norway, Sweden, Denmark, and sometimes Iceland and Finland, known for economic cooperation. Western Europe comprises the UK, France, and Benelux, Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, known for their historical significance and economic strength. Southern Europe includes Spain, Portugal, Italy, and Vatican City, known for the Mediterranean climate and cultural heritage. Central Europe encompasses Germany, Switzerland, Austria, and other countries with significant historical and cultural ties. Eastern Europe includes countries like Russia, Ukraine, and Baltic states, marked by historical and political transitions. Balkan states, Southeastern European countries known for cultural diversity and historical influence. European Union, EU. The European Union is a political and economic union fostering cooperation and integration among member states. Establishment, formed in 1993 to reduce trade barriers and promote political stability. Environmental focus, emphasizes sustainable development and reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Infrastructure, known for efficient transportation and communication networks enhancing quality of life. Europe remains dynamic, continuously evolving through its history, innovations, and societal advancements, shaping its global influence and identity.